In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a design in Canva. Okay, so assuming I'm on my Canva platform and I plan to share this particular design with someone, all I need is to come over to these three dots. I can click and I can come all the way down to share. Okay, I may want to open the file somewhere, maybe in a new tab, and then I can come to the share icon over here, and I can do the same thing. I can write someone an email. I can put in the email of the person. For example, I've added an email to this. Okay, so if you add an email, you can send an invite. For example, let's say we can add another email. All right, so let's say I've added this, so you can go ahead and share this, and you can enable notification when the email is being accessed. You can see you have given the control that whoever has been added to this can actually comment or edit or can view. At this point, I will leave it at edit. Now what happens is when you open your email, you see this design has been shared with you. Okay, so you can see you can open in Canva if you want to click to open it in Canva. Okay, and it is just going to open directly in Canva, so which means this design had been shared with you and you've been given the access to edit this particular design. And at any given point, if you want to see the designs that I shared with you, all you need to do is to come to the project, and you can come to this your project, and you can see shared with you. You can click on it and you'll be able to see the designs that have been shared with you already from another design. Okay, you're able to see all the designs that have been shared with you and you can work with. Very, very easy and fantastic. So alternatively, you can come to these three dots. You can come to the share button, and it will give you the option as well to write the email and invite, and then you can give the control over here. Anyone with the link can edit or can comment or can view. You can customize the link also if you're a pro member, and you can copy this link and share with people outside as well. You can copy the link, and really when you share with someone and he pastes it on his browser, you should be able to have access to that particular projects that have been shared with you very easily, just like the way you see it in here. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.